Okay, in 67 seconds. Let's do this. Go up the stairs or escalator. Pass the clown. Walk over to this dude or the dudette in the ticket booth. Tell them where you want to go. They will tell you which stop to get off at. Pay them for your ticket. Go to the ticket gate. Rub your ticket on the circle at the top of the gate machine. Walk through quickly. Go left or go right, but walk up to this sign. See if the name of your stop is green or greyed out. If it's green, you are on the correct side of the tracks, so go up the stairs or escalator and board your train. If the name of your exit is greyed out, you are on the wrong side. Go to the other side, go up the stairs or escalator and board your train. Exit the train at your stop. Go down the stairs or escalator. Put your ticket into the slot on the face of the gate machine. Go quickly through the gate. Go down the stairs or escalator, past the clown, and you are free to go.